and understand the next module, which is about the atomic size in a period and in a group. Now, if you talk about the atomic size first across the period, but first thing first, what is atomic size or how do you calculate? The term atomic size, it refers to the radius of an atom. Now, to understand this, let us consider, for example, the elements of third period, which includes sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus and sulfur. And this is their respective atomic structures. Now, these elements which belong to the third period, we are supposed to calculate the atomic size which refers to the radius. Now, if we talk about the radius or the atomic radius, it specifically means the distance between the center of the atom and the outermost shell. And that distance from the center up till the outermost shell will be considered as the atomic radius. Now, sodium has 11 atomic numbers, so it will consist of 11 proton and 11 electron. The proton which are present in the nucleus and the electron which are present in the shell. The proton being positively charged will have a pull over the electron. Now, these elements, since they belong to period number 3, they will have 3 shells, as you can see in all these elements. All of these elements, they are having 3 shells. So, the size should ideally be same, but not in this case because their shell number remains the same, but their atomic number increases as we move from left to right. As the atomic number increases, the proton and the electron number also increases. And if you have proton and the electron, they will attract each other by a force of attraction. So, more the proton, more the electron, more will be the force of attraction, which is true for all the elements belonging to this period. But as we can see, from left to right, atomic number increases, proton number increases, electron number increases, so the pull also will go on increasing. And as the pull goes on increasing, the size eventually and slowly goes on decreasing. So we see that as we move from left to right in a period, the nuclear charge increases. The nuclear charge simply means the charge in the nucleus, which is due to the proton. So the nuclear charge increases, thus the pull between the electron and the proton increases. Therefore, the atomic size decreases as we go from left to right. If this is the scenario in the case of a period, let us try to understand about the atomic size in a group. Now, the atomic size down the group, let us consider, for example, the element of group 7A, which includes some of the elements as fluorine, chlorine, bromine and finally iodine, with their respective atomic radius are. For fluorine it will be 64 picometer, chlorine comes down to 99 picometer, bromine is 114 picometer and finally iodine with 133 picometer. And these are their respective atomic structures. In the case of fluorine, you will find 2 shells, chlorine with 3 shells, bromine with 4 shells and finally iodine with 5 shells. So over here we see that the atomic radius, it increases in a group from top to bottom as new shells are added, bringing the outermost electron further from the nucleus.